Hi cake friends, welcome back to my kitchen, and if you're new here at Shalice Bakes Cakes, welcome. Today we are going to do more piped pumpkins. This season has been full of just fun piped buttercream pumpkins. I already showed you how to make our 1M pumpkins, and that's a few videos back if you guys want to check those out. They're super easy to make and they're so adorable. Super popular, super fun. But today we are going to use my 2D tip and we're going to make some more pumpkins. They're going to be a little bit different than our 1M pumpkins, but we're going to go for it and we're going to try it. This is actually my first time making these, so you guys can learn with me today. I'm going to also use our 18 tip and our number 3 tip for our vines and our stems. I already have my cake frosted and ready to go, so you guys can watch me and learn with me as we make some cute pumpkins today. All right, remember you guys are learning with me today, so we're gonna just start. I have my 2D tip and we are just gonna make a little rosette with our 2D tip and make some fun pumpkins. Now I've got my number 8 tip and we're gonna make some stems. See if we can get them looking like pumpkins. Now I've got my number 3 tip and we're gonna make some vines on our cute pumpkins. Thanks so much for following along as we tried something new here today in my kitchen. I've got to say guys, I'm loving these 2D pumpkins. Yes, I love my 1M, but these little pumpkins today, I'm crushing hard. They turned out so fun and so cute, and they're easy and you guys can do them at home. Thanks for following along today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, push that button, and follow me on Instagram at Shalice Bakes Cakes.